Hey guys, good afternoon. So the market is pretty balanced. It got a little bit over its skis, but they were within the break evens today. We did break the J8GQX um, when one of the ES break evens broke. So a break even broke here, which caused the J8GQX to break out over its shortfall right here. Now we're coming back to test it. We could even go below it again quickly. Um, this is through June 30th. So maybe they will allow it to go higher from here, which would be nice, but they can't allow the VIX to get below the 37-day without moving risk out. So they haven't done that. So they wicked it a little bit, but it came right back into close. So 1792, you would expect the VIX to be above that at 8:30 in the morning when expiration comes. Now, at 8:30 in the morning, yes, it's a brand new OPEX for expiration. So OPEX is Friday, and then the week after is the window of weakness or whatever they call it. So we may experience some more downside movement starting tomorrow. Um, but it could, go gangbusters. There was a huge meeting in the Middle East that went very well, according to the reports that I've seen so far. And so that could, tell the market much higher. A lot of commerce being done with a lot of countries. So that's good. And, you know, I would love to see this, continuing higher. We can go into our analysis of where we think that's going to be. But for right now, I'm just very pleased that we got back above my level. And I have to panic about this overnight and get up at 2:15 a.m. But um, it's all good. It's all good. So I have a feeling that we're going to go down a little bit overnight just so that they can get that off that level, just in case. And then go back up after the RTH open tomorrow. But those contracts are going to be closed, at 8:30 in the morning and rebalancing tomorrow morning is not a very good time. You might want to wait for that initial balance on the expiration to take hold. Let them close and open their contracts because it will get bouncy in the morning, no doubt about that, versus the directional trade usually for that expiration. So, um, especially one that's on the line of one of the risk metrics. So we might see a little bouncing out in the morning. So just be careful. But yeah, overall it did good. The daily two on the SPX, and um, I learned a lot today, so that's always good. Um, figured figured some things out, especially like when the break evens break. It adjusts my HL sun. We started at 95.25 and went up to 95.75. So that adjustment allowed me to get my second break even here. At first, I put a higher multiple on it and got us up to 59.36. Yeah. But then I went back and was able to adjust it to the higher H4 level that printed 95.75 and got it back down to where they actually put their risk. I mean, I'm getting really good at this, so which is you know excellent, and I think that I can do a lot with this. Um, and I think you would like using it also with your trading strategies. It applies also to the weekly contract and the monthly. So there's a daily, weekly break even. And I think there's a monthly too. Let's take a quick peek at that and answer our question right away. So if you go to quick strike, you can change your, oops, where is it here? So here's the end of the month. And so, yeah, 5,600 for the monthly. And let's see what the weekly is. Fridays, 55.70. So you have different break evens for different time periods. And the daily for today was 5,800. Oh, it's even dropped now, 57.20. It's 57.25. Yeah, it's gone down. So they're dropping you down lower for tomorrow. Do you see that? What was it? 5,800. No, it's 57.25. I've had so many different levels go through my brain, and I'm definitely weekly. See, 6:55 it was yesterday. Maybe it was 57.25. It could be. I just, like I said, I've had so many different levels on my head. So, but they're all different. So check them every day, and different time periods have different levels. Now it's 57.15, so it's changing. It is changing as we speak. With that, see the open interest is changing into the day contract. The settlement is changing it. So I'm going to wait until the you 4 o'clock close before I watch this new level. But they're dropping the break even so that, like I was in this theoretical conversation on Twitter, it drops the market down. They're not rising or raising the break even, they're lowering it. So we're already overextended at 1.25 times the break even. So by lowering it, you can see that you're going to have to back up a little bit. So they definitely want you off this 1792. And that's the reason for bringing you down a little bit. It's going to cost them a fortune if the market pushes below 1792 for the close in the morning. It has to be above that by 8:30 a.m. The expiration is a morning close at the RTH open. Isn't that fun? So anyway, enjoy your little pullback and Globex, and yeah, we'll see you in the morning. I'll be posting the updated Globex levels a little bit after the market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern. I think I'll try to get it to you before 5 p.m. All right, y'all have a great night. See you in the morning.